Hello, welcome to day 3 of 7 days bootcamp by ABCM Academy. Today, we're going to talk on WordPress and AI website design. But before I proceed, I need to say thank you to the hosts of this event. Great thank you to ABCM Academy team and ABCM Business Technology team. Starting from the director of ABCM Business Technology, the directors of ABCM Technology and the management. Likewise, the directors of ABCM Academy and the management. I will say great salute to Mr. Idris Mutiu, manager of ABCM Business Technology Limited. Ms. Moinat Rahim, DG, and manager of ABCM Academy, Ms. Mary Odelade Adekoju, DG of ABCM, DG1 of ABCM Academy. Now, I will not go without saying kudos to our boss, our mentor, Mr. Sunday Olalere. Pastor Sunday Olalere, let me use that word, Pastor Sunday Olalere. Then, I will not go without saying thank you and good job to ABCM Business Technology Limited Content Development Manager, Mr. Kande Adeyemi, and the CEO of K Graphics Limited. Now, other crew like Mr. Hafiz Adedira, Ms. Semiat, and Ms. Semiat, yes, and other crew in general. So I'll say kudos to you. They all make this event live. They all work together to make sure this event takes place. So without wasting much of our time, we get started immediately. Today, we're going to explore on WordPress website design. That is how to build a website like a professional. And I'm not going to talk more about myself. You can watch the last episode or the first episode where I discuss a lot about I am Akim Adeyemi. I'm a freelancer, web developer, business technology, digital entrepreneur, and I'm a top seller on Fiverr far back, registered far back 2014. So when we are talking about the freelancing, digital business world, I'm not a novice. You can contact me on WhatsApp +2348132879349 for one-on-one consultation or for any advice based on digital business. Now, let's get started to today's course. Before I move on, I will advise everyone here to join the LI team. I've always said it, LI team is where you have free access to discount courses, where you have access to become an instructor. Early elites can become an instructor in abcmacademy.com website. So where you sell your different courses there. You have access to 30 million free downloading products, including video, audio, graphics, music, different downloading prompts. Over 30 million as an elite, and you have much other benefits like commission, referral commission, certificate of recognition, early course access, and priority support. Just go to abcmacademy.com/elite team. With that, you can register as an elite team member and you have access to all this. Then don't forget to join the Learn and Earn forum where we have a WhatsApp interactive chat. Just go to abcmacademy.com/elite team WhatsApp. So the link will take you to our WhatsApp, LI team WhatsApp group called Learn and Earn, public LI team WhatsApp. We have public and we have private group. So to join Elites, I told you it's just currently now it's just 3,000 naira, and you have many greater. Even you have access to networking, free workshop and seminar, and a lot of free training and free boot camp, and with just 3,000 naira or $2. Currently, now that's the price. It can be any amount by the time you are watching the show of this live event. But currently now, as at the record of this event, the Elite membership is 3,000 naira, which is just $2. Now let's move straight to the point. Today we are going to talk on website design using WordPress and ZipWP. Website design using WordPress and how to build a stunning website in minutes. In few minutes now, if not that I'm training, if I want to build it less than 5-10 minutes, I will complete a professional website. But for the training purpose, I will have to take pause, digest, I will take it slowly, and show you how to combine your WordPress that you already know and ZipWP. For those of you that doesn't know WordPress, I will talk little on WordPress now. What is WordPress? WordPress is a popular website builder. We call it content management system, CMS, which you use to design a website without any programming experience. You don't need to learn programming and you design a professional website. You don't need to have any experience on programming when you are using WordPress. And today, in the world today, over 43% of the website you are seeing out there worldwide today was developed by WordPress. They use WordPress website builder to develop over 43% of the website you see in the world today. When you go www.soso.com, www.soso.com, most of the website you are seeing today, even top big company website, they use WordPress. And apart from that, WordPress is easy to use. You have an easy to use drag and drop editor like Elementor or Gutenberg. So you can use this Elementor or Gutenberg as a drag and drop web builder. So you build your website just like typing on Microsoft Office Word. Simple drag, drop, and your website is done. No needing prior knowledge, no needing of programming experience, nothing like coding, and your website done. Then it has a customizable theme or plugin. When you're talking about WordPress, when we're talking about WordPress has its basics. But when you want to install the functionalities of WordPress, you need plugins to increase the functionalities. Anything you want to do, just tell a programmer to design a plugin for you and you integrate it like a pro. Then, overall appearance of a WordPress is called theme. So you want your website, the way you want your website to appear, you use theme to do that. Then, apart from that, you can use WordPress to design a website like blog website, business website, online store, e-learning website, and different types of websites. WordPress is perfect web builder. And in the world today, over 43% of the website in the world today was developed by using WordPress. So you are in the right step. Don't tell me I need to learn programming, this and that. If you know WordPress, even as I was saying yesterday and day before yesterday, day 1 and day 2, if you have not watched day 1 and day 2 of this event, you can see the recording of the event on our official YouTube and official Facebook or abcacademy.com, facebook.com/abcacademy1 or youtube.com/abcacademy1. So that's our official Facebook channel and our official YouTube page, Facebook page and our official YouTube channel. So you can see the pre-recording where I show you that even only this WordPress, you can offer it as that for years, for more than 8 years. I offer WordPress as a freelancing service and I earn my 6-figure income online. So you don't need to become a technical guy, too much technical guy. Just know how to do 1 or 2 things. Then boom, you are a professional WordPress developer. Then what is ZWP? ZWP is an AI tool that you can integrate with WordPress that automates website creation. AI tools for WordPress that automates website creations and AI tools that you integrate with WordPress. Then use AI to develop your website from beginning to the end. And mind you, with AI in seconds, 50 seconds, 20 seconds, depending on your internet connection, you finish a lot of things you want to do. In less than 1 minute, you are done with it. So ZWP is an AI tool for WordPress. Now, how does ZWP work? Number 1, you just enter your website details. Then AI generates a ready-made website for you, design and content that to be used, not cracking brain, generating content and thinking of the kind of design you're going to use. No, nothing like that in using ZWP. Then you customize with simple edits. Just customize your website and you go. Then save time by just click on launching and your website will be ready in a minute. This ZWP saves a lot of time. So in just a few minutes, you complete your website. Now, what are the steps? What are the process of integrating WordPress, and save WP. Now, step one, you install WordPress via hosting. Without taking much of our time, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress via hosting provider. You can watch all my previous videos, or you get a full course on this, on how to get hosting and domain. How to get hosting and domain. I have a free video that I've done on how to get hosting and domain. Just message me or you join Elite team. I will post it at the Elite WhatsApp group. So you can learn how to buy hosting and domain. Because when you want to build your website, hosting is a place where your website is like where you build your building. That's hosting. And domain is the address where what they can use to locate your website on the web space. So you need hosting and domain. Now, after you've got hosting and domain, what you need to do is to install your WordPress in your hosting provider. Let me go practical now. Instead of all this, let me go live practical now. Let me go live practical and show you how to install WordPress in minutes. Let me show you how to install WordPress in minutes. Okay. Okay. I want to go to my okay, coming. I want to use my browser. I want to use my web browser. Yes, please. Now let me show you practical on how to install WordPress to your hosting. You can use different type of hosting, but in this case, I'm going to talk on the cPanel hosting. So all what you need to do when you are working with cPanel hosting is to type in your domain name. This is my domain name. Let me go to my website. Can you see? Nothing was developed on this domain name. I buy the domain name and I buy the hosting service, and it has been configured. I have a video on that. I told you. Join the LI team or join any of our WhatsApp group, and I will send you the video on how to buy hosting and domain. I don't want this training to be extremely long because many people know how to buy. If we don't know how to buy domain, you can just go to different YouTube and search or how to buy domain, Namecheap, Bluehost, GT Synchost, and so many hosting companies. They will guide you on how to buy and connect your domain. But this domain has been bought and has been connected. Then I'm using cPanel hosting. So you press /cPanel. Each hosting has their back end admin area. So admin area on this hosting is called cPanel. So this is my cPanel. Then I will enter my cPanel username and password. When immediately you buy hosting and domain, the hosting company will send this cPanel username and password to you. So you don't need to stress yourself. Even the URL to your admin panel, your hosting admin panel, they will send it to you. So after you enter your hosting username and password, the cPanel username and password, you click on login to log into your hosting control panel. I told you because I'm using cPanel hosting, you can use different type of hosting, but cPanel hosting is the best because it has a WordPress subtaculous area there. Now, immediately you log into your cPanel hosting here. For those of you that don't want to buy hosting, I will make sure you watch this video to the end. I will show you how to get a free hosting, even a free subdomain that you can use for practice, because I want everything to work here. I want this 100% practical. I want everybody to practice. So I'm going to give you access to a subdomain that already have hosting and they already have hosting, so they can use it to practice. So make sure you join this to the end. Now, immediately you enter your cPanel, go down to Subtaculous or software area. Under the Subtaculous app installer or software area. So this Subtaculous app, because most hosting might not have software, so you might see Subtaculous app installer. So click on this Subtaculous app installer to install your WordPress. Now, can you see these are list of content management systems that you can use to develop a website? But in this case, we are using WordPress. So you just click on install. I told you it's a simple as it. Can you see? When you want to install, make sure you choose your right domain. You might have many domains on this hosting. cPanel, make sure you choose the right domain. I only have one domain here. Make sure here you didn't install in any directory. Then under here for your site, make sure you click on HTTPS, that is a secure hypertext transfer protocol. Especially when your domain name, you buy SSL with your domain. I'm going to give you a free domain or free subdomain that has SSL already. So make sure you join this event today. Then type your website name. My website name is going to be a DevNest Services. And what is DevNest Services offering? Description of what is DevNest Services offering. So DevNest Services, we're into UI. Let me can you in the chat please give me an idea of what we can build this website on? Give me an idea of what we can build this. Okay, UI UX or graphic design. We are graphic design company. Let me use UI UX. UI/UX or UI/UX UI UX development company, UI UX company, UI UX design company. Or I have another idea. You can develop based on what you want to develop your website on. You can decide to develop website on agriculture. You can decide to develop website on mine. Let's assume this DevNet service is an agricultural website. So I will just click on agricultural websites, exportation export company, agricultural exports. So now come here to your admin where you are going to use to log what you're going to use to log into your WordPress admin. I can use admin here, then type your password, the admin password that you use to log in. In my own scenario here, I'm typing my password here. So is this username and password that you will use to install your work, you log into your backend of it. And make sure you type your email, the admin email. Then come here to site my plugin. I don't need any of this plugin. Any of this plugin is not needed. I don't need any of this plugin. So, but if you need any one of them, like this one now, improve site ranking. This one can be used to improve site ranking. This one is a drag and drop page layer. This one is speed, website speed. So you can choose these three alone. These three alone are basic plugins that you can choose. But instead of that, you can install your plugin from scratch. Then after then, you can go to advanced and set your database here. You can tell your website to be backing up every once in a week. So if anything happen to your website, you can easily take this backup from your cPanel and you restore it. That's the advantage of this backup. WordPress installation is perfect. Now you can use auto upgrade or you upgrade manually. So that when any new version of WordPress coming, your site will automatically update to that new version. So you can use auto update WordPress. Then even on the plugin here, you can tell it to auto update plugin, but I don't like auto updating plugin, and I don't recommend that because your website might crash before you even know it when you do auto update plugin. Now let's go back to what we fill. We fill our site name and we fill our what our site is all about. DevNet services. We are agri exports company. Then your username, your password that you'll be using to log into your admin area, the WordPress admin area. Then database, can edit it, is not compulsory. Upgrade, then backup, rotation for rotation. Then that is after every pop-up backup, we should be deleting. That's what this for rotation means. So every week, you back it up every week. Then you can click on installation. If you have any issue, if you are getting what I'm saying, press 1 on the chat. Press 1 on the chat. If you are getting what I'm saying, press 1 on the chat or on the comment section if you get what I was saying. If you get it up to this extent, press 1 on the chat or on the comment section. Press 1. Okay. Okay, I can see many 1 on the chat. 1. Okay. Now, after that, click on install to install your WordPress. And in minutes, your WordPress will be installed. Your WordPress will be installed. That is, we install WordPress into this hosting, into this domain. Can you see? Now, to view your website now, Just click on www.yourwebsite.com to view your website. Can you see? This is my website now. My WordPress website now. Can you see? It can show that I've installed WordPress. Can you see from what it showed before we install, which is just a blank page, but now it has shown dev next service and it shows blog, hello WordPress. That means this is the blank WordPress website that you have not add anything to it. If you get this WordPress installation process, give me 1 on the chart again. I need 1 on the chart. Just press 1 on the chart. If you don't get it, press 2. If you don't get it, press 2. Then I will repeat myself. So I can see many 1 on the chart. I see many 1 on the chart. Now, after you completely install WordPress, what you need to do is to go to the admin area of your WordPress by pressing /wp-admin. So the admin area of your WordPress is, so in the admin area, we call it WordPress is a CMS. So we have content management area and content development. This is the content development delivery area where people see, but the content management area is the admin area where you develop. So you remember when we are installing that time, we put admin as our username, and let me type the password I choose. You just type the password you choose during installation. Password you choose during installation. Now, this is your WordPress admin back. Can you see? This is your WordPress admin backend. If you get this, press yes on the comments. How I install, starting from coming to cPanel, from cPanel to Subcirculus app area, from Subcirculus app area to WordPress installation. If you get it, can I have 2 on the chart? Okay. You can have, okay. If you get it, press 1. If you don't get it, press 2. Okay, 1 on it. That means you get how to install WordPress. How to install WordPress has been settled. Now, what I mean that step 1 on how to develop a website using WordPress and WP has been settled by installing your WordPress. Now, the next thing after you install your WordPress, the step 2 is to do what? Activate the WP. Now, before you activate the WP and plug in subscription. Now, before you activate ZipWP, I'll first tell you to do activate theme on your website, the theme that your WordPress will be using. The reason why I'm saying this is that WordPress has automatically choose one theme for you. But for you to be able to edit your WordPress very well, you need to choose another theme, free theme, not buying. You are not buying anything now. After getting your hosting and in which I said I'm going to give you free. If you watch this course to the end, I'm going to give you free subdomain. Watch this course to the end. Just I will give you step to get free subdomain so that I can practice what I just taught. Now, you are not buying anything. We're going to use a particular free plugin called Astra. I love this plugin. Let me share my screen again, my WordPress admin area screen again. See my WordPress admin area. All what you have to go is to click on theme. To install theme, Astra theme. You click on theme, then add new theme. Can you see this one is of 2025 has already been activated by WordPress for you automatically. So I don't like this 2025 theme because the customization, the appearance is not my own. So I'm going to click on add theme, then I'm going to click on Astra theme. Then I'm adding Astra free theme. I see this Astra free theme. This is the design of the theme. So I'm just going to click on install to install my theme. After installing WordPress into your hosting, the next thing you do is to install your theme. I've installed my theme, then I click on activate theme. So when you go to the appearance area and the theme area, you will see now that Astra has been activated instead of 2025. If we get it, press yes on the chat. I need yes on the comment if you get how I activate. I just go to log into my WordPress admin area by pressing my website URL/wp-admin. Then I go to appearance. From appearance to theme. From theme, I search abstract theme. Then I choose abstract theme and I click on activate. Let me know. Type yes if you get this. Okay, I can see many yes, yes, yes. Okay, that means many of us are following me here. Keep on following. You enjoy this. All this I'm saying is because I'm explaining it. You can finish everything, the whole site in 5 minutes. You can finish the whole website in 5 minutes. Then when you are done with the theme activation, the next thing you do is to come to plugin area here and activate your ZipWP plugin. Add new plugin, click on plugin. And you see when I'm going to theme, I click on appearance theme. When I'm going to plugin, I click on plugin, then search for new plugin, which is starter or ZipWP. You can search for ZipWP, but don't waste of your time. If you click on ZipWP or you click on starter template, you are going to get this body is the plugin we are looking for. Starter template. Starter. And you see, either you search for ZipWP or starter, you see this starter template plugin. What you need to do is to click on install, the same way you install theme. After clicking on install and it is completely installed, the same way you install theme, it's installing. That is, the starter template has been installed to my website. Plugin. We first install abstract theme, then we install starter template now, plugin now. Then you click on activate to activate this plugin. Or you come to plugin area, you will see it at the list of plugins, then you click on activate. Any of the two. What we know is that we need this starter template on our can you see? Immediately I click on activate, it now asks me two things: that am I using AI website builder to build my website, or I'm using classic template. Classic template is pre-designed template, but with demo site, demo data, where you just put the demo data and demo design. Then from that demo content, you cannot change it to real content. But when I'm using AI web builder, I don't need to work with demo. I need to work with real design and real content from AI web user. So I'm going to click on building with AI. When you click on building with AI, it will now pop up my ZipWP AI. So which is the next step now? Which is the next step now? Let me show you what I mean by the next step. Let me show you what I mean by the next step. I said step 1, install WordPress Automate. We've done that. Now step 2, activate ZipWP. And step 3, set up AI setup, input business detail, and generate content. So I'm going to join the step 2 now with the step 3. Now step 2, to activate my ZipWP. Let me go back to my page. Now, we've installed ZipWP. Then you click on let's get started for free. Get started for free. This ZipWP has paid versions also, but you can easily generate a website with ordinary free version. So you don't need to waste any time, any money to use paid version. Free version is okay. And we are doing this job for a client. The same way you can use this free version. Then it tells me sign up with one click and sign up with email. You can sign up with Google. Create an account with Google. Create a website, WordPress website in second. Then I'm using this particular Google mail on my, and I click on continue. So just sign up Google or click on sign up normally and you type all your email information. Now it tells me that he has sent a verification code to my Gmail. Now I'm going to log into my Gmail to get the verification code. I'm going to log into my Gmail to get the verification code. So this is my Gmail account. I'm going to log the Gmail I use now. I just click on sign up. It's just over registration, simple registration. whereby you click on register with Gmail, or you type your registration details. Now, I have ZWP code on my Gmail now. Just copy the code, come to authentication here, then you click on the box, then you paste your code and click on verify to verify. Can you see now? You now tell me that per user, $78. Can you see all features? I can have 100, 10,000 credits, 15 days, site visibility, 5 AI generation, all this. But in this case, I'm trying it for free. Yes, this free version can still work in any feature you want to add. So I'm trying it for free. I click on try for free. And you see now, it now said when I want to try for free, I need to connect my website, which is the DevNet web, with my ZWP account, which is the one I use this email to generate. I click on continue. Can I repeat the process? Press yes if you get what I've done so far. Okay. I think many people are still getting it. Now, see, currently now, I have an interface where I will talk about my website, which is the third step. The third step here is AI setup. I've set up the AI and input business detail. I want to input my business detail for content generation. Now, let me go back and input them now. They are just input them. My website title. My website title will be dev agri exports. Or you can use any type of maybe you can or you are designing website for an hospital, you are designing website for hospital, you are designing website for different businesses. Just put their business name here or website title. And it's telling me this website is for what? I see agriculture. I didn't have agriculture from this. So I'll just pick a local business or an entrepreneur. I'll just pick entrepreneur business. For restaurants, I'll just pick on entrepreneur. This website for an entrepreneur. Then the website will be in English. You choose your default language for the website. After you put this, you click on next. Then it now tell me that this DevNet Agri Export website, I should tell him little about it so that I can generate website content for me. Maximum of 1,000 characters. Now, just type any details about the company. If let me assume this company now is a dental company. You want to design a website for a dentist. If it can be an e-learning website, it can be an e-commerce website. Just type it. But this one, we said we are designing for agri export. DevNet Agri for agri export and agricultural farming and farm produce exporting company with a track record of over 10 years in agricultural services. You put as much as possible details here about your company you are designing, the company you are designing website for. And make sure it doesn't exist 1,000 characters. Now, because I don't have time on putting more content, I just give him an idea of what my company is all about. And I say you should improve this content with AI. Can you see? I just put little. I can click on improve this content with AI. You should help me improve the content with AI. I use it as improve the content for me. Devon Aggregator is an establishment agricultural export company based in Nigeria, specialized in farming produce with over a decade and industry. They connect local farmers to international market, ensuring high quality agricultural. And you see, I just put a little information, then I tell him to improve with AI, and it improve it with AI for me. This is the previous one that I put. This is the AI improvement I improved with you. Can you see? Talk about my company. Then I will click next. Under this next page here, I'm going to talk about my email now. My email is devnext web 247@gmail.com. So phone number 0813. The phone number is 234-8132-879-349. So address, you can put your company address. Number 2, Ikeja, GRA, Lagos, Nigeria. You put every details about your company. Even if you have social media, you can add social media. That is your Facebook social media, facebook.com/so. So after you put all this information now, you put your business details, use AI to improve your business details, you put your contact details, then you put your address. All these are not necessary, but you can put them if you have them. Then you click on next. Then next now, from the next now, it now generates image, and it told me to select images. This is where the free version of this DWP comes in. The free version has a limit to the image it will generate. Can you see now? Agree export image. Export image. I'll pick this image. I can't pick this because the bag is customized. Farming, I'll put this farming image. Export. I think I will need this cocoa image is part of what we export. I'll put this fruit image too. I need a container. When we are talking about export, we talk about container. Export. This is indicate agriculture. Let me use another token to search. Local farming. Let me use local farming to search another token. So from we just pick all these keywords, searching keyword from the content is generated. Local farming. Can you see local farming? Local farming. I pick this image. This image. Let me use another token, another keyword. Sorry, local farming, international market, or exports. Let me use export as another token. Export as another token, so that I can have something related to export. Can you see them? Something related to export now. These are the container and the ship. Showing and exporting this container, and ship. I need more ship to indicate exports. If you are still with me, press yes on the chat or on the comments. Press yes on the chat on the comments. Yes, yes, okay. Many people are with me. Now I pick few images. I don't want to pick more images so that I will not exceed my token. You can use one single token, email token, free to design 5-10 websites. Let me use sustainable farming as image token. All these, I see sustainable farming. I choose this. I need more landscape image. So after picking these few images, I'll click on next now. Number one, I get started by describing my business. by telling if information about my business. I describe my business, I put contact information, then step 4, I put images. Then finally, the step 5, I want Deep WP to complete the design for me. Deep WP complete the design for me. It's now generating different design. Different design for me. So as for me to choose from. Can you see? Can you see? As much as possible design has been generated. Can you see? Different design. We can preview the design one by one and we see the one we can pick. Can you see the preview of the design? This is option 1, this is option 2. Thousands, tens of thousands of designs, which I can choose any one. Can you see? Tens of thousands of designs. Can you see? Can you see these other design? These are other design. Let's go down, down, down to see more design. These are other design. These are other design. Okay, we have design option, different option, option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, different option, 12, 15. So someone should tell me which option. Can you see this is where the free package comes to, the paid package of those ZWP comes to. There are some options that are premium options, so don't choose them when you are using free package. So there are some options that are premium options. So someone should tell me which options we need to choose. Which option can we choose? This is option 10. I don't like it. Let me go down to see more options. Connect farmer with local markets. I think this option is, I love this option. This option 17. When you go down, 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 you still see so many different designs. I don't like that again. Let me still go and find some other design. Can you see, check out this, let's check out this option. Option, what is the name? Option 21. So you can choose any options from these options. So let me choose option 21 now. Now, choosing option 21, can you see? Connecting local farmer, previous solution design. No, I'm not choosing option 21. Let me go and choose, because this option doesn't have full automated content. I don't like it. Let me go and choose another option. Let me go and choose another option. Let me go back to design, the other designs. You still have many options to choose from. This is one option, 34. This is another option. Let me pick this 34 option and see. Connecting farmer design. We provide these other options. So do you know that's bad about ZWP and that's good about for you? It will generate thousands of options for you. And the funny aspect of it is you even don't know which options you are going to choose. But you can explore different options to know which one is right for you. Can you see? As I'm scrolling down, ZWP is still generating more and more options for me. ZWP is still generating more options. This option 50 is superb. I love this option 50. Then after the options, you now tell me that which color I'm going to use, which font you can upload your font, upload logo file here. If you have a logo, click on here and upload your site logo. The font you want to use, you can choose the font, and the color you want, the original color. I would love to use green as the original color. We are talking about an agri company, so I've changed my original color to green. Green. If you want to use anything dark background, can you see blue dark background? Can you see this design? It's perfect for web design, even online business website. This blue background, but these are great. I'm going to use the green and white. Then after you choose the color, you choose the font, you upload your logo. I'm not using logo here. You click continue. Then when you continue here, we now tell you to select pictures. Do you want blog picture where you'll be posting blog? Yes, that's auto selected. Page builder to build a page for you. Yes. You have contact form. Yes, they need to contact you. You want web, mail, email, and SMTP. Yes, I want that. You want them to book an appointment? If an appointment website, like you are developing website for dentists, you are developing website for doctors, you are developing website for anybody, any field that require appointment booking, you select this appointment. But in this case, we're not booking appointment with anybody. If you're using e-commerce features, so you select e-commerce, you select the kind of e-commerce you are using. In this case, I would recommend you use WooCommerce. But currently now, I'm not adding any payment, I'm not adding any WooCommerce. I just did an information website on our exporting company. So I'm not going to add WooCommerce or any e-commerce feature. If you are integrating any automation, like task automation, and email automation, you do that. If you are integrating live chat, you click on this live chat to integrate live chat. I need live chat. So in this case now, I need blog, web builder, contact form, web mail, email, then I need live chat. If you are working on e-commerce website, you can click on e-commerce, and I advise you to use WooCommerce instead of Squarecard that is pre-selected. WooCommerce is the best, but I'm not using e-commerce. If you are designing for any website that requires appointment booking, you click on the appointment booking here. If you are still with me to this page, can I see yes on the chat? Yes on the chat if you are still with me. Yes on the comment section if you are still with me. Comment yes. If you are okay, many people are still with me. After you finish all this stage, the next thing you click on is start building your website. And you know one thing, AI will start building your website directly for you. And your website will be generated in seconds. Now you can start building. This is 2%. Let me go to our content again, and we see the next stage. The next stage is customize, tweak layout, colors, and content. Yes, that's the next stage. Now, the next stage is to customize. Customize, tweak layout. Now, let's go back and see if how many percent our development is. Let's go back and see what AI has done so far. Depending on your network speed, I see 24%, 26%. Oh, 26%. 26%. Can you see? 100%, and your website is ready. Wow, your website is ready. 100%, and your website is ready. Hey, I told you this AI will build it in minutes. In 5 minutes, you start and you complete your website. And you show your clients, and your client just said, adjust it, and you just adjust. Let's view our website now. devnetwebs.com. Wow, your website is superb, ready. Using AI in seconds, few seconds, you have your website ready. Can you see? Content is there. Quality exports, connect farmer to global market efficiency, DevNet agricultural exports, deliver high quality farm produce, and ensure. Click on this, get started. You should go to contact us, but where they can contact you. Then, can you see 20% quality assurance, 90%? 98% sustainable practice, 98% partnership. Can you see? Connecting local farmer to international market. Can you see local farmer here, image here? That he was able to pick an image as a local farmer. Can you see this? Shipping, exports as an international market now. From the image we pick. Now, explore our diverse agricultural solution. Export fresh produce, read more. To export fresh produce, go to services. Assurance, quality assurance. Can you see sustainable practice? Join our global agricultural network. Get started. Go to contact us button. Then our efficiencies. Step, farmer collaboration. We connect direct with local farmer to source. All this content was generated by ZWP AI. Isn't that amazing? Please, can you type amazing on the chat if it is amazing? Kindly type amazing on the comment. Amazing on the comments or on the chat if it is amazing. It generates every content and every image you need for you. Now, this is not Omo, this is Omo, this is not Olo. Apart from home, it generates about us page too for you. About us page, this is about us. About us page. Can you see? About us. Not only that, our services page for you. Our services page, fresh export produce, quality assurance, sustainable practice, logistic management. Can you see? Partner with us for authentic agricultural exports. Our service page. Then blog page where you can post your blog post. Then contact us page, finally. Contact us page. Can you see? It generates contact us page for you. It adds your location map. It adds your contact. Remember that time I said you can put your contact phone number and email and your contact address. Then all the social media you enable that time, it added the link here. Then your address, view address in the map, and contact form they can use to reach you. Everything is generated using AI. So the next step we can take now is to customize. Maybe you want to change anything. I've seen so many things to change. You can change anything, you can add, you can subtract. This ZWP comes with ready-made page builder. So you don't need to install any page builder under our service. I saw something under our service now that I want to edit. Click on any page you want to edit. Or is it about us? No, I saw that under about us that I want to edit. You can edit home page, edit any page. Just click on the page you want to edit. Okay, under about us now, year of experience, 98% is, this 98% is not correct. It's 10 plus years of experience. It should be 10 plus years of experience. Then client served, 200, can be 2,000. Certification and award. So again, award, client served can be 200K, 12K plus. Certification and award can be 20, certification and award. So because I want to edit this page, if it's home page you want to edit, if it's contact us, you want to make any editing, just click on edit button here, and which is the next stage according to our content. So when they say the next thing here is to edit, let me go to the final thing. Next thing is to customize tweak color layout. I've done that. Then the final thing is to go live in a minute. I've gone live. So let me just show you few editing. Back to our edit tab. So I just click on edit, and with simple editor, I can edit anything. I click here like this. I'll just click on this and delete if I want to delete it. If I don't want it anymore, if I want it, Ctrl Z to go back. I'll just click on it, come down here to edit it, percentage, no, plus. Instead of percentage, I will use plus. Then the content will be 10 years plus experience. 10. That is 10 years plus experience. Client serve. Instead of plus, I will use K. 2K. 2K plus. 2K plus. Let me use capital letter K. 2K plus kind flap. And this place, I call it certification. 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 Or I can decide to remove this totally. I can decide to remove this totally if I don't want it. So client serve and this, and use only this. Then after you've done with your editing, next thing is make sure you save. Any area you want to edit, just click on. If it's text you are editing, just click on that text and you add to it. And you see this text now. Let me use small letter D here. And you see I change this small letter D. Let me change to uppercase D. Then after you change anything, make sure you click on save to save your content. Anything you want to edit, just click on the page you want to edit and you complete the editing. Give me yes if you get it to this stage. Give me yes if you get it to this stage. Give me yes. I need yes if you get it to this stage. So anything you want to, if you want to edit color, you just go to color editing. You can go to customization and you edit color. I have focus on this. Yes, this is where my bonus comes in. Anybody that subscribed as an Elite member between now and in the next 10 days, just screenshot your Elite dashboard to me. Then I'll give you full course on this WPS, full comprehensive hours of courses from how to buy hosting, how to buy domain, how to connect it the same way we did there, and how to customize, even using this to design advanced website. I will give you that course. The course currently now, I saw the course currently now at rate of $16 in ABCM Academy website, and in Udemy currently now in Udemy is $23. Sorry, in Udemy. So, but I'm going to give you for free. Just join Elite. I think now Elite is just $2 now. To join Elite, then I'll give you the course for free. Then how do you join? What are the benefits of become an Elite? So you have access to all courses and this free bonus like this. You have access to become an instructor in abcmacademy.com. And you have access to 30 million free downloadable resources as an Elite member. Downloadable resources, earn commission on referral, exclusive access to the Learn and Earn forum, free weekly bootcamp worth millions, different bootcamp with top experts. Apart from me, there are so many other guys in Elite group that even have more knowledge on all these things I'm sharing you, and they are ready to hold free bootcamp, free training on all these skills to all Elite members. They are ready to share their wide range of experience. It will guide you until you make more money. If you are converting these skills to freelance, as in to freelancing, all what you just do is to master these skills, try as much as possible, try design as much as possible website, edit. In 2-3 days, you master using the AI tools to design a website. And you're good to go. Create your gig on Fiverr, Upwork, or go to LinkedIn and you source for clients. That's that about it. Other benefits of this Elite, you have priority support and special instruction program. And to become an Elite, all what you have to do is to go to www.abcmacademy.com/Elite team. With that, you can become an Elite here. Then it's just $2 for now. As at the time of having this live event, to become an Elite is just $2, which is 3,000 naira. Then action step for this day 3. What are the steps you need to take for this day 3? No, yesterday I gave you action step. I didn't see most of people respond. All these action step response are going to be added to your day 7. And the final day, the graduation day, which is the day 8, which is the graduation day, I'm going to pass this action step is going to cover 20% of your scores for final tests, and you get the certificate. Because this bootcamp is not what you get. After this bootcamp, you're going to get certificate of participation that you can use anywhere. Verified certificate of participation. So you must take all these action steps to have access to the certification page. Then sign up to get WordPress hosting and ZipW. I told you I'm going to give you this. Join Elite team. If you don't join Elite team, just join Elite WhatsApp. Elite WhatsApp. This is the link to Elite WhatsApp. www.abcacademy.com/Elite WhatsApp. From that Elite WhatsApp, I'm going to ask tonight on who needs subdomain to practice. Even I'm going to add in, we have LI team special chat too. For those of you that are already in LI team, don't worry, automatically LI team is open for anybody to talk. Go there now. The WhatsApp group of LI team now, go there now and go and post. There is free to post there because you're an LI member. Post that I need subdomain, then I'll give you subdomain to practice. Then install Get WordPress and ZWP. Let AI create website for you. You generate AI website the same way I do it. Then you do the content the same way I do it now. Just follow the steps I follow now and publish your website. Now, I told you don't forget to join LI team. Don't forget to join LI. Then tomorrow, day 4, we're going to talk on e-commerce and payment solution service mastery. Hey, this is going to be a bomb. I told you, if you don't use day 1 content to make money, you use day 2 content to make money. If you don't use day 2 content, use day 3. If you don't use day 3 content, meet me on day 4. Even not only me, with my team here, meet us on day 4, where we're going to show you how to use e-commerce and PSSP to make money. I will like to entertain questions here. Now you can send questions on the chat. You can send questions on the comments. And this video is going to be available live on our Facebook page and our YouTube page. So you can have the recording and play it over and again. Thank you. See you tomorrow.